Okay, we're live. We're live. Okay, this is group 13's lesson 5 video.
Hello.
It's fine if I don't look at it and I forget that it's recording.
Okay. So the prep work, part 2. How did everyone do?
Pretty good.
Everyone like it?
I had a couple questions, but I figured them out. So
That's good.
pretty simple stuff.
Yeah. The mean, deviation, finding z. Is real fun.
I forgot my laptop, so I'm taking the quiz on my phone, teacher. But it's not loading, so I'm gonna do it in my notebook.
You ready?
Okay,
Okay.
where am I? Lesson 5. Hiccups. It's fine.
I need to work off your.
Okay. I'm grabbing my calculator and my pen.
Oh, it's just 18 questions.
Yeah, I have a
18.
feeling. Maybe you guys just know.
Rip. Okay. Okay, the total area under a normal distribution curve must equal 1, right?
Oh yeah, I need to open up that app.
Yes.
Because that's going to be the total probability. Under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis.
That's entirely false.
The most false thing I've ever.
A normal curve is symmetric.
True.
Okay, use the following image to answer the next 2 questions. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score? A,
C.
B, or C?
Sorry. Okay, you are. It's C.
C.
I studied. Can you see it?
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1? Probability that it will be greater than 1. It'd be B, wouldn't it?
What was it again?
It'd be-
Greater than 1.
Yeah. Which of the following elements represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1? So if this is the z-score,
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
above 1.
Perfect.
According to the 68, 95, 95.7% rule, what percentage of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean? So 0.68.
Ooh. Tricky. I see what you did there. You need to switch it
Suppose,
to 0.2.
yeah, that's why I got all of them wrong on the last quiz. Is 'cause I did that. Suppose that z-scores come from the standard normal distribution. Yep. Use the applet to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1? Between -1 and 1. So the inside is
0.6827.
Perfect. Yeah, that's what that inside.
Yep.
Are you sure? 0.6827.
0.6827.
How did you find that?
So you just graph,
Oh,
you just highlight.
Whoa, I didn't know you could do that.
That's super. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then
I was like, that was very fast and very precise.
we went 3 seconds.
3 seconds?
Sorry, 3 decimal.
Okay, so
0.6823.
0.68.
Okay, suppose that z-scores can be between -2 and 2.
I'm working on it.
Can you drag these? Whoa. Oh my
so
gosh,
nice.
that's so
I had
cool.
no idea.
955.
Which makes sense. Oh, yeah.
Yep,
That makes sense.
0.955.
According to the 68, 95, and 97, 171. The next one's probably 3.
I'm glad this is a group thing, so I would have never used it.
I
knew
it.
Knew it.
Oh man.
So it's going to be around 99.7%.
99.7%.
Oh,
You're so good, Jane.
ah.
Yep, 99.7%.
The values match the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. Yeah, pretty much.
Whoa,
You okay?
trippy. It's trippy. Inception.
As the z, or is it as the z-score increases, the area between the negative z and z increases? No, it'd be increases. Yeah, never mind. Read that wrong.
Okay, the amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every
Can you
person.
read that?
My Jane needs a lot more protein than me.
You're super rude.
Okay, going on. To the distribution of the population of the U.S. protein requirement is given.
That's on camera, Steve.
I know. You know, she's the one that said I'm rude. I
I
just said
need
I
more
Protein
protein.
requirement is
That
given in
means I need more
terms
than you.
of the number of grams. Good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram of body.
Okay.
Okay. So me,
Okay,
So we're looking for
0.65.
what proportion of the population
that's the z-square. So if you put it in the applet even.
will that work?
You have to figure out the Z first.
Oh, I thought the z was 0.6.
So you do 0.60 minus 0.65 over 0.07.
Oh,
Enter.
no, that's fine.
Okay, so you get negative 0.714.
That's a
Right.
z-score.
But that's not the answer.
Z-square, now we
open
want to know.
So you open this up, negative 0.714. And so the probability is
238.
yeah, 2, 3.
That was the left of the z-square.
Yeah, because they want less. So
And then more is going to be the same thing, isn't it? The probability of more is
it is going to be opposite.
So it's going to be 0.7.
it's going to be 1 minus 0.238, right?
0.762.
0.762.
Yep. Less than 0.7. So then you just change it in here, right?
Excellent. Now you just redo the z-score.
Yeah, you have to redo the z-score. So you do 0.7 minus 0.65 over 0.07. My handwriting's beautiful.
0.0. It's going to be 0.05 over.
Oh, what? Oh, it's the same deviation, so it's going to be 0.238.
We're recording for our class. We're almost done.
We're taking this time out and killing it.
Oh no, we're all doing it.
We're recording.
Oh.
For our Firesides class. Online. We record group meetings every week.
Oh. Hello. I'm a guest. That's weird.
0.525.
Oh, almost
What is
like
that?
16? Wait, did you just do 16?
Yeah, I just did 16.
I was so tired.
So you just find them out.
Do they watch?
So they're asking
So you
between,
do.
they're asking between 0.6 and 0.7. So you have to take the middle of the
Weird. Okay, yeah. Okay, find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. It's going to be.
So you just
Teacher.
It's percent.
I think so. don't actually know.
I'm really good at that.
But we do it.
I see it.
The black piece that's the blood has coagulated. The bilirubin has been removed.
But I know Andy's not. I don't know if he's planning on running with me, so I'll let you.
No, like
Okay, if it's still, I'm figuring out uses.
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah. Okay, I'm trying to this
Okay, bye. As soon as I can shed this artificial
I made it into the show. Yeah.
What show?
Kiss Cafe.
Thing at the MC.
That is so exciting. You that teacher?
Okay, sorry, that was random and off topic. I just had my email, just came in.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Hello, it's
Happy
like
to
Big
invite
Brother.
you to be in the show. Yeah. Anyways,
Sorry.
I'm excited.
So wait, how are you guys doing 17?
Okay, so sorry. You go to the normal.
because we only need one because we're all together.
And then for the area, you
Y'all introduce yourselves in the beginning.
Not really, kind of.
That's
We've done it before, so.
and then they'll use these words.
Okay, I'm gonna roll back.
Okay, see you soon.
Everyone looks at me weird when I roll.
They're impressed. They like what they see.
That's not
Okay.
35th percentile in protein requirement. Hello, Megan. We're almost done with our video.
Okay, I'm going second. Do you have the normal probability after that?
Yeah, let me grab it.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay, so then
I love
for the area,
Oh, thank you.
type in 0.35.
See you later, Meg. 0.35.
Yeah, just 3.5.
Okay.
And then enter. Excellent. And then what's the z-score?
0.935.
0.9135.
0.935.
0.935.
Yep.
And then you go equals. And then you say x and then subtract it by the mean.
Whoa.
Divide it.
What?
So this is what we're doing.
0.935
This is
equals.
the z-score. We got the
Yeah.
z-score. Now we need to find, we're solving for x. What's the mean?
It was 0.65. Yeah, 0.65.
5 is the mean creation.
Correct.
Yeah, that's the one we've been
And then
subtracting.
what's the same deviation?
0.07.
0.0.
Okay. So it's going to be
Yep, and then we're going to solve for that.
0.935 times 0.07. I need my calculator. No, you're good. 0.65 plus 0.65. It's going to be 0.715.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
So then,
715.
Yep.
but is that,
And that's the 35th percent.
how did you,
That makes sense.
And then
Oh,
so
'cause
the
I
next
did
one, what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Is
and
the
so
same
the next
thing.
one you'll do the same
Okay.
thing except for 80.
So
got it.
0.8 into the area. 0.8.
Z-score is 0.253.
0.253. And then you solve for x.
Yeah,
So-
minus 0.65 divided by 0.07.
So I got 0.667 or 8.667. It's 253, right?
0.668. Yep. All right.
0.668.
Yep, I'm going to submit. Check off this.
I don't know.
Please be 100%.
Please.
Nope,
Oh, no,
there's
I
not.
missed one.
Oh, we missed 4.
Oh, wow.
We missed
Okay,
those
yeah,
last
that's
ones.
You missed the last one?
What were the other ones?
I'm so sorry. I'm literally so sad.
Okay, so we missed those 2. We missed 15. Oh,
Oh, less than.
Yeah.
Okay, so, yeah, it's opposite of that.
so we have to find.
And then
And then we missed this one. Yeah. Within one state.
Wait, it says write your answer as a percentage, such as 42, rather than a proportion, such as 0.42.
Why would it be? Yeah,
Yep.
maybe.
I thought.
So switch
I think
that.
that's it. Yeah, because
Switch
it has
that,
to be
and then-
68%.
I think we missed the last.
Well, let's one other person. Let's figure out those other.
Okay. So we got 8.
We got 15 wrong.
Is more than 0.6, and then this is less than 0.7.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other ones, but like
What
as they
proportion?
got towards the end, I can tell that I'm just like, wow.
So how did we do 14 again? Because 14 will help us solve 15.
Yeah. So I did 14's right there.
Oh, wait. So if you plug this in,
Yeah.
divided by. Weird.
Yeah, no, it's the same.
Why is this the same as that? Because this has a different. Is it because it's so close? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I don't like being. They probably can only ever see me.
I try to stay off the camera.
Yeah. I'm just like staring at my screen and like, this girl doesn't know what she's doing.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Okay, so for 15, we solved.
Is that the one where we just subtracted some the
Yeah.
number from 1?
Yeah, but I think we did it from 60 instead of 70.
Wait, so it's 15 we got wrong.
Yeah,
It's less than point.
less than 0.7.
Yeah, so that's gonna be that. It's gonna
Ah,
be 0.762.
So the same as 14.
Yep, it will be the same because they're asking greater than less than. I just
okay,
assumed
and then
that
what
it
we're
was-
gonna do is that Steven will submit the next one, so you don't submit it again in case it is wrong again.
Okay, then
Does
we
that
need
make
to find
sense?
out 17 and 18.
So we did. I think we
I'm gonna-
need to do one more step
Pull
or
up the
something.
reading.
Okay, because here is percentile.
Yeah.
Oh, do I? Yeah. Okay.
My battery's gonna die.
Oh, shoot.
Oh.
Hey, can you hand me that backpack that's right there? Can you hand me my backpack that's right there? I don't know if I brought my charger.
Okay, it's towards the end, right before the
Yeah.
coupons. Right before him. Almost. And then it's gonna be this.
8%. Okay.
Did we click on the areas under the curve?
Okay.
If you
What
do,
was
Do the normal probability applet.
Oh,
I don't think
no, we
we
did that
clicked-
wrong. So the z-score goes down here. Z-score goes down here, and then the percentile goes up here. So we don't calculate that. So it's going to be,
Didn't we do that before?
did we?
So
So
that's
we-
80%.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, 35.
Yeah. 0.35. Excellent.
Okay, and then what
And
was the
then-
z-score? Negative. Wait, that's the mean.
We got
Z-score was
It
that
was the
0.935.
935?
But what we need to do is we need to calculate it only on under. Wait. If you go back to
Under-
the notes real fast.
Yeah.
Okay.
What just happened?
Okay, there we go. So click on the areas under the curve, only on the left of the positive z-score. So this is, and then perfect. Okay, so it's still there, and then
825.
excellent. Okay, so let's try that again then. So no. So sorry. Back to the I get confused. Okay, so yeah, do 0.35 now because we have it shaded correctly. Okay.
Well, z-score is different.
Okay, one more time. Try putting in 0.35. Okay, so maybe it's
So maybe it's the 6499.
no, because we take the z-score. Does that make sense? We just need to make sure that's shaded correctly because last time we didn't shade it the right way. If that makes sense. We need it to look like that and plug in. See, they only plugged in 0.9. It doesn't change. The area shouldn't change. It's these that should change with that shaded. If that makes any sense.
So use the 0.38 that we got.
Let's see.
No, because that wasn't shaded all the way. It was
Click on
only
the
shaded
areas. Okay.
left of the positive.
Type
z, so it's
in the
gonna be like
desired
that.
area at the top of the graph. Okay. The z-score corresponding to this area will be displayed in the bottom right box.
On this box.
Mhm.
So 90, they shaded it to 90 and got that. So let's see if Esteban is doing it.
Yeah, I think I'm getting it.
So z equals
I get
1.282.
585 for number
17?
17, yeah. And I'm getting number
See, and
18.
it keeps taking that out.
So 0.65 plus a positive
wait.
0.842 times
We're doing a video, but you can totally sit here if you want.
He's in the video right now.
Yeah.
Where's the camera?
On my computer, like right in my face.
teacher.
I know.
Oh wait, guys.
Sorry, Jeffrey Nielsen.
I got
That's
it.
like the tip with Lauren.
Oh, okay. But
I got it.
I want to, sit and I want to talk. You got it? Oh,
Okay.
0.35.
okay. Can
Okay,
I
I'm gonna
submit it? Okay.
Wait, what did you get for 18?
Let Steven submit it first to
0.709.
make sure it's right. And let's see.
always on the test.
You know Steven, right?
I think we
Steven.
know.
Yeah, we've met. It's
Jorge.
Jose.
okay. I got that one right.
Which one did you get wrong?
Number 17 was wrong.
Yeah, they made you
I
guys
got
do
number
a project
18.
for that yet?
Nope.
No, not yet.
Why?
The different, because Lauren and I. Katie finds water with basin.
Weird. Yeah, we have not done
So
that.
it should be for 80. It should be 0.842, right?
Yes.
For the 80th percentile.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I got that. For this one,
0.709.
for this one, it
That's-
can't be negative. You're taking the right side of the z-score. Does that make sense? So you put in the area, then there's two z-scores. We're looking at this z-score. You looked at this one, so it's negative.
Okay. Let's change that. And we still need to look at number 8.
At number 8, it's still wrong. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay.
Okay.
Can I see the normal applet probability applet? Okay, so shade it in the middle and on the left, and then not on the right. Perfect. And then put
That's
in
just the
0.35.
68% of the data will lie within one standard deviation of the mean. It literally says that right in the reading. What percentage of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of the mean? Did you write it as 6.8 or 0.68?
For number 8.
For number 8?
Yeah.
0.68.
It's 6.8. It's 6.8.
Yeah, you have to write like a percentage.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm like, yeah, that is
Yeah, I was gonna say that has to be right. It says.
So it was
says right here.
for Stevens 2 for 17, where you shaded 2
Yeah.
areas, and then it would subtract that.
Yeah,
area.
see, I got it for this one,
But right, it wasn't doing it for the next one.
but he calculated this, and he got a different one, and it was right. So, right? Or did he get
He did.
842?
Yeah, he got
He got 842.
Oh, he got 842. Okay.
2 to 10.
So we just need to figure out how to keep the middle and the left shaded in order to get the correct z-score. Because once we get
Yeah.
that, then we
I
should.
hate technology.
Well, I don't know why it's spazzing on us, teacher.
Did we get this one? 15 is 0.762. 18 was
0.709, I think.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
709. And then 17, we just need to get the right z-score. So,
Yeah. Wait, let me get these.
yeah, of course.
okay. It's 35,
And then I
right?
need help with 4 and 5 too.
35%.
3.5. Oh my goodness.
0.385.
No, because then
No, it is because
But if you
it
shade
switches.
more,
Because look, if you do this and it goes above,
Yeah, so it's just.
it's just because it's so small.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's good.
okay, we'll try it and then we'll have
Okay.
Lacy
So
submitted that to
0.38
make sure. So then you don't
0.385.
0.385.
Yep.
Okay, so
Okay. So 8 is going to be 68.
Okay, I got that one.
15 is going to be 0.762.
Let me make sure I change it. Yeah, 762.
17 is 0.385.
Okay.
No, I just think that's
And then, oh, wait. 385 is just the z-score.
Yeah, and then you
And then we have to solve it.
6.5. We just ignore
So it'd be 0.385 times.
Times 0.07
0.07
plus
Yep.
0.65.
0.677 is what I got.
Okay. Let me
My love, what is?
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Wait, 11.
What's like the competition like?
Okay, I'm gonna check it.
0.677.
So Lacy, if you try that.
Yeah.
With all of them, and then we'll see. And when I doubt, I'll log into a computer or something, and we'll try it if we need to do it again, because I want 100%.
Yeah, me too. There's no reason we shouldn't get
No,
100%.
exactly. We've got 2 tries. Brain.
19 out of 20.
Okay, which one did we get wrong?
Still
We
17.
got 17 wrong.
17 is still wrong. See, I'm telling you, it's like the middle and
Yeah,
the side.
it
That's what's
changes,
killing me because
though.
it changed. And so, because it changes, that's what we need.
Sorry.
No,
Well,
you're fine,
maybe
because
this is
0.35 is right
something
there.
else.
It
Because
is.
it,
Uh-huh.
no, maybe it's bigger than that. Maybe it's 0.386. You know, because if we're rounding,
Is it supposed-
The mean of this problem is 0.65.
Okay.
Right? Plus,
And
so you do plus the z, which is 35 percentile is on the left. So I'm thinking we use the z-score that's on the left because, or else it would
Wait,
be
wait, wait.
65.
35 percentile is what's going to be 35 or higher. So it's going to be the
Oh, yeah.
0.6499, isn't it?
wait, let's look at how the question's formed one more time. Phrased.
Find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. That's
Then
going
we
to be
did find
35
it.
and higher.
Are we
Not
sure? Because we
35
did
anymore.
80th, and the 80th was still on the left side.
That's true.
Does that make
This
sense?
is-
And for the example, it was
Oh,
90th, and it was
confusing.
still all on the left side. So I think our main
Is there
thing.
just a way we can do this by hand?
I know. Why do we have to run? I'm
I've
telling you,
never-
it's the middle and the left side. That's not doing it. Yeah, we just did that.
You just did that?
Yeah.
What'd you guys get?
0.677,
Yeah.
and then that was wrong. But it wasn't negative. We have to do it on the other right score.
I'm gonna write down the answers because I think my computer's gonna die.
Okay.
Okay, so
Wait, what was the answer you put in for?
0.677.
And it's wrong.
you got it different because yours is negative.
Yeah,
But it says
What
to do it on the right.
You think you got it?
We'll
I
try
think
it.
I think I'm wrong with it. But it's,
You think you're right?
yeah, I'll take the L.
Did you change the other ones?
0.623.
Did you change the other ones?
I don't trust you. I don't trust you
I
at
know
all.
don't.
Oh man.
Okay,
Point
for 18 point.
683. 623.
623.
I don't trust him, you guys. He looks very
so
shady.
stressful.
So
How do
Steven's
you go
gonna
back
take
and put
it.
it in?
I just opened another tab and just so I can see the answers that I had before.
Okay, what'd I get for
Can I see
16?
your laptop?
What'd you get for 16? Sorry.
Yeah,
wanna just-
because how else would
Let's
you
start
know?
from the top. Just go down and make sure I have it.
Point 525.
Okay, that's what I had. Go to number 3. Just
And just go from the top down.
yeah.
3 is 1.
Okay,
False.
correct.
True.
Mhm.
Oh freak, what number are we on? I just like
6.
spazzed. C.
Okay.
B.
This is less than 5, right?
8 is 68, not
68.
0.68.
Got it.
9 is 0.683.
Mhm.
0.955.
Correct.
0.997.
Okay.
Values match the percentage rule.
Okay.
0.238.
Wait. 13 is what?
0.238.
Was it right?
Mm-hmm.
I swear that's what I had on my paper.
Okay.
14 is 0.762.
762.
15 was 0.762 again, right? And it was right for you.
Yeah.
16 is 0.525.
Okay.
17, you said, is 0.623.
Which
Yep.
we will
And we're going to check
See.
that. And 18 was
0.709.
0.709.
Okay,
Okay.
let's see the magic.
I'm scared.
Is it wrong? Okay, wait. Will you read them back to me too?
I don't trust you.
For 3.
Okay, Esteban.
My computer's about to die. Everybody.
Okay, 3, 1. False.
And then false. Yeah.
5 is true.
Everyone's staring.
I don't care. I got it right. You didn't believe
It's
me.
true. 6 is C.
Okay, wait. I still don't
Teacher,
believe
got it
you.
right. Got it right.
Teacher, don't trust him.
Okay, I think we're all good.
Is it 6
I don't know
5
how to end
plus negative 5?